Say hello to the Garrett AT Max. For the veteran treasure hunter, this is the best of the AT Pro and the AT Gold combined, and much, much more of what our customers have been asking for.
The AT Max includes built-in Z-Link wireless technology and a pair of new Garrett MS3 wireless headphones. With near zero delay, the built-in Z-Link system operates 6 times faster than Bluetooth speed. This means you're hearing your target signal while the search coil is directly over the target with no delay. Maximum freedom, auto pairing, no cords, no cables, and no interference with other wireless devices. Increased transmit power and enhanced electronics provide the AT Max with a significant depth increase. This detector also includes a true all-metal mode and an optimized frequency of 13.6 kHz, providing excellent detection on a wide range of targets, including silver coins, jewelry, and brass relics. The AT Max is also sensitive enough to pick up small gold nuggets, such as this. Because our customers asked for it, the AT Max includes a backlight for improved visibility in low light situations. The AT Max can be automatically or manually ground balanced, with 175 points of ground balance resolution. This allows the machine to efficiently handle both conductive soils, like saltwater beaches, and highly mineralized ground. Garrett's exclusive automatic ground balance window feature means the AT Max can simultaneously ground balance to a range of values to help overcome localized ground variations, to smooth detector audio and allow you to hear faint targets. Other key features of the AT Max include proportional pulse width modulation audio response, which provides more target information and sharp, responsive target signals, larger display numbers, including the digital target ID and the iron discrim numbers, a more robust, non-absorbent, textured grip, and adjustable threshold, allowing you to modify the constant background hum to better hear faint targets. The AT Max also includes iron audio to help avoid digging tricky, undesired flat iron items, all-metal iron audio, a Garrett exclusive feature to audibly identify discriminated iron while operating in a true all-metal mode. Adjustable frequency. Minor frequency shifts help to eliminate interference. Notch discrimination. And 44 points of high-resolution iron discrimination. With the AT Max, you have 4 search modes to choose from: a true all-metal mode, custom mode, coins mode, and zero discrim mode. Of course, with a Garrett AT detector, you can also expect fast recovery speed and excellent target separation, which means more coins and relics in your dig pouch.
All right, here we go. First silver, AT Max. First day of hunting for coins. Got silver, I'm happy. Strong sound on this thing.
This detector is designed for use in both saltwater and freshwater. The AT Max can be used wirelessly to hunt streams or shallow water. As a Garrett all-terrain detector, the AT Max can be fully submerged to 10 feet or 3 meters. But if you're going to fully submerge the unit, make sure you're using optional, hardwired, fully submersible headphones like these. The US version of the AT Max includes a coins mode and tone ID breakpoints appropriate for US coins. Outside of the United States, Garrett will offer the AT Max International. The international version includes a coins mode and tone ID breakpoints appropriate for international coins, as well as a different target ID legend and a metric depth scale. With the AT Max, you can take advantage of built-in Z-Link technology, along with the MS3 Z-Link wireless headphones that are included. This is a tremendous value for a wireless machine that can also be used to hunt fully submerged. Also included with each AT Max is a free search coil cover and, for a limited time during its introduction, this AT Max cap. Powerful, wireless, all-terrain performance. The AT Max is built for the professional treasure hunter.